See this thing over here on the table? I'm gonna go on a limb and say that may be the greatest purchase that we have made as RVers. A few months ago, I recorded a video about our Coleman excursion, our little portable tailgate, camper, grill, whatever you want to call it. And I really enjoyed that grill, but there's a few reasons why we had to get rid of it. One of the main reasons we got rid of that Coleman excursion grill is while it was portable, it was like clunky and kind of cumbersome to get into our storage. It folded up nice. Once it was folded up, it was maybe only like 7-8 inches thick, but it was about, probably 2.5 feet wide, and it was heavy. Getting it in and out of the storage was a nightmare. We either had to put it on top of other stuff or put other stuff on top of it. If there was ever a situation where we just wanted to pull out the grill real quick, turn it on, cook some food, it was like a process. So it had to go. Something else that I did not enjoy about that grill was it was a nightmare to clean. So after a few camping trips with that Coleman portable grill, we decided that it was time to seek out an alternative. I was done with that grill. And full disclosure, I was not a Blackstone guy. I thought that Blackstones were kind of like a trendy type thing, and people were only into them because it was a Blackstone. I really didn't know much about them. I just thought it was one of those fad things. The versatility hooked me, honestly. I got our 22-inch, and I absolutely love it because you can cook anything from breakfast, bacon and eggs and sausage. You can put hash browns on there. For lunch, you can put hot dogs. You can grill burgers. I've even made like a full teppanyaki meal on here, like you see in like the hibachi restaurants where you're cooking the steak and the chicken and the rice and the vegetables and all that. I did that on this thing before a couple times. It's amazing. You could literally cook whatever you want on this griddle. And a lot of people express concern like, yeah, but it's not the same as a grill. You don't get that, maybe the charcoal taste, or if you use propane, you don't have the grill marks on there. I got to tell you, like last night I cooked sirloin and it was absolutely amazing. Medium rare, seared on both sides, put some seasoning on it. The steaks are absolutely amazing on there. I do not miss having a grill. In fact, we got rid of our grill at home and I got a 36-inch Blackstone that I cook meals constantly. I think we use that thing more than we do our stove inside. And I mentioned how our Coleman portable grill was a nightmare to clean up. This thing is a dream. Once you season it, you don't have to do a whole lot of cleaning to it. You scrape it off, and then once everything cooks off, you just lightly oil it, close the top, and when you open it up next time, it's ready to go. So let's talk specs. This is the 22-inch version. It has dual burners, the nice size cooktop up here, and I went ahead and splurged and picked up this hood. I'll put the link to that in the description of the video. I'm also self-conscious about this tablecloth. I've made an absolute mess of it. Something else you'll notice is I put a quick connect adapter on there. Now, the usual regulator, actually wait, I got it right under here. So by default it comes with one of these regulators. This side hooks right in here to the side, and then you can put your propane bottles, or you get another adapter to hook it up to your onboard propane tanks. What I did, I just ditched that thing. And the cool thing is because the regulator is external, you don't have to do any kind of deconstruction inside the Blackstone. You literally just unscrew that, and what you get on Amazon, I'll put the link for this in the description as well. This is screws in exactly where you would put the regulator, and then it has a quick connect. So then what I do is, now that that's hooked up to a quick connect, I run this hose to the port. Bam, we have twin 30-pound tanks of propane. I don't have to worry about the bottles. I don't have to worry about the little 20-pounders. I just run it right off our onboard propane tanks. And the best part, it's fairly inexpensive. I believe we got this at Sam's Club for, I want to say it was like $89. They had a deal on them. Again, it didn't come with the hood. We got the hood off Amazon, so that was not included. But for the griddle itself, 22-inch, dual burner, 89 bucks, you're not going to beat that. This elbow piece here was a few bucks. We already had the quick connect hose. We used that for our old Coleman grill. And again, for the versatility that this thing gives you, it's amazing. I literally cook on this thing nonstop. I am not exaggerating. I am not paid by Blackstone to say this. Today, we are cooking all 3 meals on this thing. We love it. So what I will say, again, I was a skeptic. I was not a Blackstone guy. I had never used a Blackstone. I didn't know much about them. But as soon as I started doing my research, and especially once we got it and I started using it, I am hooked. I don't think I will ever have anything other than a Blackstone griddle for our RV. In my opinion, Blackstone griddles are the perfect grill or cooking surface for your RV. I know this was a quick video. I just wanted to share that we had upgraded from our old Coleman to this Blackstone. Again, if you're on the fence, do your research, shop the deals. You can get them out there 90, 100 bucks. They make a ton of different sizes. If 22 inches is not your thing, they make a 17. They go all the way up to, like I said, ours at home is a 36, and I think they even go bigger than that. Find one that fits for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We have a lot of nice content coming out. We will see you next time.